As a business owner, it's important to stay on top of things. So if you have a commercial or industrial building, it's important to secure your roof systems. Protect your roofs and your business with Commercial Energy Systems, LLC, the experts in repair, restoration, and refurbishment of commercial and industrial flat roof systems using liquid-applied roofing. Metal roofs have always been the preferred choice for the roofing needs of commercial clients. When it comes to the restoration of metal roofs, Commercial Energy Systems, LLC has you covered. Our restoration methods are seamless, monolithic, and waterproof, saving energy costs up to 15% annually. We power wash the roof panels and make any necessary repairs required to ensure a watertight system. Secondly, a single component primer is sprayed, after which a closed-cell polyurethane foam is applied around the ridge vents and seams. Finally, a high-solid commercial-grade silicone elastomeric coats the entire roof surface. With 20 years of labor and material warranty available, get tax benefits for up to $1 million. What are you waiting for? Contact Commercial Energy Systems, LLC today.